Want to make a split-screen transition in Canva? Let's start with our reveal. How about a beach scene? Size it across the entire frame. Most people travel by plane to beach vacations, so let's get a close-up of an airplane for our next layer. Lots of choices. Which one should we use? I like this one. Size it like we did the beach layer across the frame. Now duplicate it and align it over the first picture. Crop one of the photos from right to center, and the other from left to center like this. Pro tip: separate the two halves slightly, then add two rectangles and group with each half of the picture. You should now have both halves of the picture with a rectangle tab, overlapping on the center of the picture. Group the rectangle to each half of the picture. Bring the picture back center so it appears as one airplane. Select each rectangle and make it transparent. While I'm fiddling with this rectangle, now is a good time to hit the like button. We're almost there. Now duplicate the page. On the new page, move both halves of the picture to the edge. The transparent rectangle should make the group outline extend beyond the picture, allowing you to completely shift it to side. This can be a big hassle and is my pro tip for the video. Create a transition between pages, select Mix and Match. Adjust your timing as desired. Here's the final effect. What do you think? Canva is just getting started. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.